Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Docker on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to docker.com. Now on the front page here, it should say download Docker desktop. So we've got a few different versions. So we can download for Mac, we can download for Linux, but I want to do a download for Windows. So I am a ARM64, so I'm going to click onto that. Now that's going to start downloading in the back. It's about half a gigabyte, so give that a few seconds to download depending on your internet speed. Okay, so it's finished downloading, so you want to go ahead and open up the installer. So just give that a few moments to open. Okay, so from here you're going to get a little pop-up saying installing Docker desktop with the version. Now configuration, I want to add a shortcut to desktop, so I'm going to click OK. Now it's going to unpack the files and start the installation process, so you just give that a few moments to run. I'll pause this video and get back to the next step. Okay, so after it installs, you should have a pop-up saying Docker desktop and your version. Installation succeeded. So click on close. Now if you want to go ahead and open it up, go ahead and type on search and open up a Docker desktop. So that's how to successfully download and install Docker on your PC or laptop.